Today's video is going to be about whether this person is a fraud or not. Okay, we are going to see in this video whether this person is a fraud and whether you can trust this person or not. That is what we are going to check out in this video. So yes, this video is going to be a general reading. Yes, it's going to resonate with more than one people. So yes, whatever you are watching in this video, that could be that certain things are resonating with you, that could be that certain things are not resonating with you. Whatever resonates, you have to keep it. Whatever does not resonate, you have to let it go. And because this is a timeless reading, yes, anytime you come to this video and you are watching it, what is being said in this video is going to be valid for you. Okay, yes, as I said, few things that will resonate, that is definitely going to be valid for you. So yes, whether you can trust this person or not, you have to check out in this video. So let's get started. Yeah, before we get started, I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Preeti and I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and I have reached out to more than 50,000 people in past these years. So you can be assured that you are in good hands. Okay, so let's get started. You have to close your eyes and pray to God to get the correct guidance. Okay, dear God, spirit guides, please share with my viewers, please guide my viewers whether this person is trustworthy or not. Can you trust this person or not? Okay, so yes, just pray over. So whether this person is a fraud or not, let's see. Dear God, spirit guides, ouch. Is this person a fraud or not? Is this person that my viewer is thinking about? Okay. The person that my viewers are thinking about, is this person a fraud? Is the person a fraud who my viewers are thinking about? Okay. Is the person a fraud who my viewers are thinking about? Okay. Is the person a fraud who my viewers are thinking about? Okay, that is coming out clean now. Let's put these cards. Okay, is this person a fraud? Let's see what is happening in the cards. Okay, so we are having a couple of various cards we are having here. Okay, I see the Wheel of Fortune card. I see this card, and this person could also be somebody who could be offering, yes, somebody who is offering fortune telling advice. Are you trying to find out whether a person is trustworthy, somebody who is giving you fortune telling advice? You were too dependent on this person and this person is giving fortune telling advice, and now you have begun doubting that person's genuinity. Okay, which is why you're watching this video. That is that. Second thing is, this card is saying this person has always shown you something. This person has always given you advice on, on everything that you find emotionally pleasing. Okay, everything that is emotionally appealing to you, that is what this person has shown. This person also is, yes, first chances for this person to be is like a fortune teller. Second thing is like this person is actually yes, somebody who plays on a wheel, right? Some wheel in the casino that turns your fortune. So this person was somebody whom you trusted since long, and now you are trying to doubt this person. You're trying to figure out whether that person is a fraud, because they are always, whenever you meet them, they are trying to keep you in a very good emotional state, very high emotional state. Okay, see, there are several ways how a person can keep you emotionally high. Okay, it's yes, there are some substances that are used to keep yourself emotionally high. Okay, especially in such environments. If it is a gambling sort of environment, casino or something, yes, there are some things that are given to you so that you feel good, you feel emotionally good in that environment, which is going to make you constantly keep on visiting that place because you just felt very good when you went last time. Okay, so yes, that. And this card says, okay, this person actually tries to show that they are some sort of magician, and they show that they are magicians. Second, they show that they are making several foreign trips. Okay, they are making several foreign trips, and they just show how posh and how lavish their lifestyle is. Okay, this is what they are showing off, and they are also showing that their family is also very happy with this perfect lifestyle. Okay, I think this person has tried to create that perfect picture, that picturesque lifestyle that they are having, and they are trying to induce you, they are trying to lure you into that sort of lifestyle, so that you also keep going back to them, you also keep running back to them. Okay, but you are somebody, you have shown a lot of resistance since beginning, you have shown a lot of resistance since beginning, and you know the way these cards are showing, I actually feel that what the person is trying to market you, see there are several different marketing tactics that are being used in several different places, right? Even here some sort of marketing is being used to lure you into accepting something, into accepting a lifestyle, or yeah, changing your lifestyle. Okay, so that is what is being shared here, but this clearly shows that this is you. Okay, this is you, you are trying to defend yourself, you're trying to protect yourself from being too lured inside. Okay, so yes, that is the case. Also, because you have less money, I think you are more safer, because you have not given into this lifestyle yet. Okay, and yes, you have less money, but they are waiting for you to get financially abundant, so that they can help you. They not exactly help you, but they can get you as a client, they can get you as a customer. Okay, so yeah, from all these cards, I don't think that this person is a fraud. I think that they are using very very strong marketing tactics, that that is making you lure you towards them. You know, a very clear a very clear, not exactly clear, I can't say that that's clear, but a very blunt way of judging somebody is, yes, that person is very money minded, and they are trying to cheat, they are trying to just take away all your money. That is a very common judgmental factor that comes to many, and this is what has happened to you here. Okay, and when you are personally not growing, you are personally not developing yourself, you may just think in that direction only. Okay, so yes, now let's see. Yeah, you may say, okay, so in what direction you have to think. Whatever is being said here, you know, you have to make sure that you accept this from a broader perspective. I'm not saying that go get lured by that person. Okay, don't get lured by that person, don't get yeah, what we say as, don't get pulled into a suction cup by this person. I'm not saying that. Okay, so yes, this person actually wants that whatever they say you do, whatever they ask you to do, you are doing, and that is how much command they want to have over you. So yes, and yes, they feel that whatever they are marketing you into is actually going to give them a lot of money, it's actually going to make you also a lot of money. But it is clearly visible that here how much money they will be making is going to be a lot more from how much money you will be making. Okay, so yes, so this is what the cards say, whether this person, yes, they are not a fraud, but yes, a very smart marketing technique is used here, because of which you will actually feel compelled, you may actually feel forced, that yes, this person is forcing you to get into something. Okay, now let's see, when this is happening, what are you supposed to do? Dear God, spirit guides, what are my viewers supposed to do about this person? Dear God, spirit guides, what are my viewers supposed to do about this person? Dear God, spirit guides, what are my viewers supposed to do about this person? Dear God, spirit guides, what are my viewers supposed to do about this person? My viewers are supposed to do about this person. What my viewers are supposed to do about this person. What my viewers are supposed to do about this person. Okay, dear God, spirit guides, what are my viewers supposed to do about this person? Wow, look at that. What are my viewers supposed to do about this person? Dear God, spirit guides, What are my viewers supposed to do about this person? Okay, just one second. Before I just start reading the questions, you just recently saw that I was shuffling like this, and then I started shuffling in a different way, right? So this is it's just like, both the methods of shuffling are valid, right? None of them is invalid. So I'm just trying to share shuffle in the best possible way, so that the cards get enough room to get the energy, so that they can connect with me, they can connect with you, and they can get yes, they can get energized by the question that we have here. Okay, so there is nothing, I'm not making fun of the cards, right? But just because I laughed, just because I smiled, I just had to share with you what I am doing here in front of you. Okay, so yes, let's see what is happening. So first of all, yes, let's see the first card here. It says yes, you need to bring some crystals into your life. Okay, yes, it could be that emotionally or mentally you are not that strong, and having a crystal with you, it's actually going to give you a lot more strength. I would like to say, try to avoid rose quartz. Okay, rose quartz is a very beautiful crystal, but it is a crystal of unconditional love. So when you are holding on to that crystal, it's more likely that you are going to have more unconditional love sort of feelings. Okay, the next card we have here is this, and this card actually says that okay, this card actually says that yes, right now you are listening to this person, but in future you may actually think of not listening to this person, going in a different direction than what this person is saying. And by all means, this change is going to come up. Okay, for now that change isn't there, so you can continue listening to this person, whoever they are. Also, if that person is like addicted to going to a casino, then definitely that direction needs to be changed. Second, if there is any sort of addiction, if there is any sort of compulsion that you feel on yourself, you can actually get into music. Music is something that's going to help you to heal. Music is going to help you to cope up with whatever void is there inside you, that's going to help you to keep away from feeling compelled. Okay, and the last card we have is positivity. Yes, when people are lacking in positivity, that is where you actually are not able to take correct decisions, when you are missing on positivity, when you are lacking on positivity. So this is why this card says you need to try to be more and more positive thinking. And yes, that is how others will not be able to lure you into something that feels even more positive. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, try to share this video with others. I will see you again in the next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel, and below this video let me know in the comments about how does this video help you. And yes, now after watching this entire video, if you have additional questions that you want me to that you want to ask me, and you want me that I check out from the tarot cards, then yes, that will be like a private consultation, and you have to book a consultation. For that you will have to prepay a reading and get the reading from me. Okay, yes, this reading can be you can get this reading by either phone call or a video call. Also, because you have watched the reading till here, it could be that you got interested in tarot, how it works, etc. And if you are interested in learning tarot, recently there is a class coming up. You can actually go and check out my YouTube channel and check out all the details about my upcoming tarot class, so that you can get an idea about what exactly is going to happen in that class. Okay, and yes, if you are interested in getting a numerology reading, if you feel that tarot charges are more, if you feel that learning tarot classes, the charges about that also is more, then by all means you are invited to get a numerology reading. Numerology reading is a very cost effective reading that I am giving on my website. Yes, that reading will be available to you, and it's going to give you a lot of details about your life, a lot of remedies about how to solve problems like health, wealth, relationship, career in your life. Okay, so so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.